Ramanujan. The great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. At the young age of 13, he solved the world-famous trigonometry of Loni. At the age of 15 years, he solved 5,000 theorems given in George Shoebridge's scarce synopsis of elementary results in Pure and Applied Mathematics book and developed new theorems based on them. Ramanujan went to Madras University for higher education but failed in all subjects except mathematics. He started the work of preparing questions and their solutions for the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. In 1911, he received great fame from his paper on Bernoulli numbers and became renowned as a scholar of mathematics in Madras. In 1913, he wrote a letter to G. M. Hardy listing down all his work so far. Mr. G. M. Hardy found in him a great scholar of mathematics. Hardy invited Ramanujan to come to Cambridge to do research. Ramanujan initially refused to go to Cambridge, but with the efforts of Neville and others, Ramanujan agreed. Hardy arranged for Ramanujan at Trinity College, Cambridge. Hardy took up the task of teaching Ramanujan. He acknowledges that Ramanujan taught him more than he taught him. He had to return to Bharat in 1919 due to very poor health. Between 1903 and 1914, Ramanujan had written over 3,000 theorems in his notebooks before moving to Cambridge. He mostly gave his conclusions and did not give his proof. Professor Bruce C. Bernard was shown the Ramanujan notebooks, but initially he did not take any interest in this book. He later felt that he could produce Ramanujan's theorems. Professor Bernard devoted all his attention to the research of Ramanujan books for 20 years. Ramanujan never considered mathematics as separate from religion and spirituality. His work encompassed both zero and infinite, the two singularities. To understand the interrelations of zero and infinite, he took the help of mathematical formulas. Ramanujan used to say that all theorems written by him are the inspiration of goddess Namagiri. He would sometimes wake up at midnight and start writing mathematical formulas on the slate and then fall asleep. Ramanujan first wrote a formula or theorem of mathematics and later paid attention to its subsistence. He used to say that math formula doesn't make sense to me if it's not rooted in spirituality.